Good morning, lovelies. All right, so I am a physical therapist, hi, and I'm also a dancer. I've been a dancer for a very long time. And I am frustrated by the fact that a lot of classes seem to be entirely oriented towards choreography and don't really teach improvisation to people. And I like to improvise and I like to teach improvisation. So I'm going to make a video about how to do that. Last time we did this with letters, today we are going to do it with shapes. Your brain has shapes stored in it, okay? Two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes, especially if you're a visual person, which we all are to some extent, but a lot of people are very, very visual. And so I'm going to dance to a track which I wrote a while ago, which kind of has a bit of a disco feel to it. I was going for something else, but it turned into like a weird disco track of sorts. And I'm going to make use of this concept. So I am going to interact with a pyramid which does not actually exist. It's entirely in my head, and hopefully you will learn something from watching me do this, and maybe you will make use of the same concept because you can use any shape you want. All right, give me a second. Okay, did you see it? I don't know if you saw it. It doesn't matter. All right, so in my head, there was a pyramid about yay big here, okay? Square bottom, whatever the name of that shape is. It's not a three-sided pyramid, it's a four-sided pyramid, which I was also moving around. It was like spinning and things like that. Now, in the beginning, if you try doing this, you may not be able to like visualize it cleanly the whole time. Here is the good news. Dance is like every other skill. The first time you do something, it's gonna be weird, it's gonna be awkward, you're gonna feel silly. This is starting to sound familiar in it. Anyway, just try it, okay? Try it, picture a cube, okay? We got a cube, boom, 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 like that, right? You can literally draw the dimensions of it, I don't even have to stand up, and start playing with the shape, okay? Anyway, I hope that made sense. Go out, vibe in the grocery store. I wish I would see other people doing that. Have a good day.